sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye, and I love you so.
Hey TikTok, let's start a new trend. First, I want you to show me your pet, and then I want you to show me what your pet was named after. Duet this or use this audio. Let's make this blow up.
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
If you have a dog, turn your volume up to see what their reaction will be for the following sounds. Or don't, I can't really tell you what to do.
Allora, il detto dice can che abbaia non morde. Ma tu non abbai mai. Quindi tu mi vuoi mordere. Dimmi la verità. Can che abbaia non morde. Can che non abbaia morde. Quindi tu mi vuoi mordere? Mi vuoi mordere? Dimmelo adesso. Mi sto avvicinando. Ah! Ah no, mi sono spaventato perché il detto dice che can che non abbaia morde. Ma tu non mi vuoi mordere allora? Allora anche can che non abbaia non morde. Ah, non morde!
Se você tem um cachorro, aumenta o volume para ver a reação dele com os próximos áudios.
Eu tô na minha casa ouvindo rádio e a vizinha vai falar pra baixar. Mas eu tô nem aí. Eu tô em casa.
Euzinho, mamazinho.
This morning I was a very bad girl. My mom wanted to go a different direction on our walk and I had no idea why. So I got out of my collar and went the way I wanted to. It was so much fun running in the rain. My mom had just as much fun because she was screaming and running to my favorite trash can with me. Then I saw a human and decided he might have a treat, so I ran to him. Mom kept saying thank you over and over, but I don't know why, because the human didn't have any treats.
I need to know, could you be the one to call when I lose control?
I need your love. I need your love. I need your love. I need your love.
Okay, so egg challenge with Lucy. It's not going to work. What are you going to do with it? Oh. Can I have a look? What are you going to do with it? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it worked. Oh my god. I can't believe she just has an egg with her now. Is this just part of you? What are you going to do with your egg? Oh, thank you. Oh, okay, I won't steal it again. I'm sorry. So my dog has an egg now. Bye. What now? I got her egg off her and now she's looking. I'm so sorry.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.